So in simple terms, I would say it's all about identifying what's bugging you, where's the waste in anything you're doing, and then figuring out a better way to do it. I mean, that's a simple way of thinking about it. The simple way I look at it is I look for smiles on people's faces. I really do. If people are happy at what they're doing and doing what they love and are really enjoying what they're doing, it's probably because they don't have barriers in front of them. They don't have the problems that you encounter when you see people frustrated all the time and mad and fighting. So if people are coming to work and smiling and enjoying each other's company, it's probably because they're working together well and they've really done a good job of identifying where their barriers are and are really focused on improving what they're doing on a day in and day out basis. Where we use 5S in our company is really primarily when we talk about on the construction side, we look at it from a site logistics standpoint. So when we're setting up site logistics on the project, we use the 5S concepts of really understanding, okay, we're going to sort to start. What needs to happen on our site, what doesn't need to happen, and what are areas that we need to create for whether it's laydown space, whether it's bathroom space, whether it's charging station space, any of those things that you have in a site logistics plan. So we really try to do a deep dive of where things need to go. Then we want to make it organized. So when we're setting it in order, we're really looking at logistics. We don't want people running across the site to go to the bathroom, and wasting all this time. We don't want them to have to look for where they have to charge their tools or where they have to look for a lift. We want to find places, if it's a multi-story building, we want to put those on every floor in a place where people are working. We want people to have their tools within arm's reach of each other. So we really look at that stuff and really try to set in order how can we logistically make that work. And then from a shine perspective, we really look at, that really comes back to the safety side of it. And really, so how do we make safety and cleaning up after yourself part of everyone's work? It's not a separate task. It's not something that you do as you're pouring concrete and then we have to clean up around ourselves. Well, you're not done pouring concrete until the area is ready for the next person to go and it's cleaned up, right? So as we're looking at our site logistics plans, we're making sure that as we're doing whatever we're doing logistically around the site, that we have the brooms in the right spot, we have the buckets in the right spot, we have the dump carts in the right spot, so it makes it really easy for people to clean up after their work, which keeps it a lot safer in a better working environment, and also more productive because people can just go in and work and not have to take care of the things before them. And then again, we standardize and sustain it by really, we've implemented programs where on a weekly basis, we'll meet with craft workers and different groups of craft workers on job sites to really understand, okay, what are we seeing? We got a standardized plan of site logistics now. To sustain it, we're meeting with these folks to ask them, okay, what's bugging you? What are you seeing that we could do to help improve the site? And that really helps sustain it and improve it because we're checking in from the people that are actually encountering the obstacles on the site on a weekly basis so that we can implement things really quickly and fix that logistic plan. So that's where we primarily use the 5S process as we're on a construction site.